A structured reference is a syntax that refers to table names instead of cell references. Using a structured reference in an Excel table, you can make your formulas dynamic. This built-in feature of Excel enables a user to understand formulas quickly and simply. You can see the table header name of the column or row inside a formula instead of cell references. Hey there, Excel enthusiasts! Welcome to Exceldemy, your go-to destination for mastering Excel and Excel VBA related challenges. I'm Shahriar Abrar Rafid, and in today's video, I'll be showing a detailed guide on how to create a structured reference in Excel. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 365. Suppose I've got a sales report for electronics items of AK Electronics. This dataset includes the product names and their sales of 6 consecutive months from January to June. Also, it got a total column, although it's blank now. Before creating the structured reference, I have to insert a table. In order to do that, select cells in the B5 to I10 range. Then, navigate to the Insert tab. In the Tables section, click on the Table option. Otherwise, press Ctl+T to do the task. A dialog box will appear confirming to create the table. Make sure to check the box of My table has headers. Hit the OK button to continue. Thus, you will get a table just like this. This time, I'll create a structured reference. And to calculate the total sales of each product for the consecutive 6 months. To do this, go to cell I6 and insert a formula. Place an equal sign. Now I'll use the sum function. As the number 1 argument, I'll select cells in the C6 to H6 range. As you can see, while applying the formula, Excel table automatically created a structured reference from the table instead of cell references. Here you can see January to June instead of C6 to H6. Close the parenthesis and click Enter to continue. Now click on the autocorrect options and select Overwrite all cells in this column with this formula. Finally, the total column is filled with the total sales volume using the structured reference. In this tutorial, I have shown all the steps to create a structured reference in Excel. Follow them carefully to do it yourself. Download the workbook from the description box so you can practice it yourself. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comments section. Or you can have a glance at exceldemy.com. If you like this video, consider subscribing and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.